Today we got a video from Street Law, and the title of the video is Mom Makes a Simple Traffic Stop 10 Times Worse in Seconds.
On March 18th, 2026, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle after it was observed driving erratically and committing multiple traffic violations.
Get back in the car. I pulled you over, get back in the car. Get back in the car. 3378, they're refusing to get back in the vehicle. What did I say? Get back in the car. Okay, what are you doing? Get back in the car. Okay, get back in the car. Okay, so what are you doing? I don't care. Get back in the car. You don't understand what I'm saying to you? Okay, so then get back in the car. Okay, and it's off. So what are you doing?
Hold down. I want to put my hold down. Put my hold down.
Okay, you got your coat off, so get back. Right, so get back in the car.
I'm getting in the car now.
So then do it.
All right.
3334. Do we know which cell
All right.
the 21 in Milwaukee or the one in Newberry, Milwaukee?
Yep. Okay, you don't want to get back in the car, then come back here.
Ma'am, walk towards us.
Come this way. All right. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Okay, I don't care. Get out. Then get out of the car. I asked you so many times. Get out of the car.
Insurance.
Get out of the car.
Okay, just.
We gave you plenty of time.
No, don't put your hands right.
We gave you plenty of time.
No, don't do that. My baby. Look.
Stop.
Okay,
Stop.
Don't
I
make
know
her cry.
we're
Don't make her
not
cry.
trying to.
I just
Walk
pulled
back
over in
here.
the gas station.
Okay,
Don't make her
walk
cry.
over here with us, please. Start just complying and listen to us, okay?
Okay,
We're not
don't
trying
make
to
her
do
cry.
it.
Look,
Hey,
don't
we're
make
not
her
trying
cry.
to do a scene
Don't
in
make
front
her
of your
cry.
daughter. I
Exactly.
understand.
Don't do that.
I understand.
So why would you, as the mom, act like that in front of your child? Why, when the cops finally come up there and grab you and assert their dominance, why does it have to go that route? It shouldn't have to go that route, because now your child is watching you, the way that you interact with law enforcement, and that's just going to trickle down, man.
But listen to us, please.
I am.
She asked you multiple times
My
to get
daughter's
back in the
right there.
car.
I don't want her crying
understand.
about this shit. Look at this.
Okay, I understand.
No kid needs to
Listen to us and comply.
I'm in the goddamn gas station. I'm not moving.
Stop.
I'm
Your
parked.
voice.
She can lower hers first.
It's you and I talking.
Okay.
Relax.
I'm calm.
You are not.
She was neither.
Okay, it's you and I now.
I just told you to scare my daughter. That's what I'm saying.
I'll put you in handcuffs right now because you're acting.
The situation is, don't do this
Okay,
shit in front of
come
a
here.
child.
What's
Walk
up,
over
Georgia?
Here. Walk over here.
Stop.
No, walk over
Don't
here.
do that in front of a child.
Walk over here.
You know that shit scares children. God damn.
What's going on?
So anyway, I'm coming this way, and I'm coming over to the side. So she pulls me over, or her lights go off, and I pull up into the gas station. She pulls up behind me and says something about get back in the car.
Okay.
I was just taking off my coat, so there's no. You know what I'm saying? Y'all already. Why do you gotta? What's with? That's just gonna cause more tension.
I understand.
Calm down.
I'm calm.
I'm sorry.
All right. I'm calm. Go ahead. Let's take it down. Kids in the car?
Yeah.
How many?
One.
How old?
6. I gotta get my high school daughter.
Okay. That's what you're doing now? You're on your way?
Yes.
Where are you coming from?
Olive Garden.
Okay. I understand why it's upsetting. We're trying to figure it out, right? So if she's, let me explain something to you. If she's stopping you for something, I don't know if you've gotten as far as why she's stopping you. Okay, I don't know.
I haven't.
Okay, we're gonna figure that out. But if a law enforcement officer is stopping you, okay, they have the right to have you in or out of that vehicle. Okay, so that's where that was coming from. When you start getting up here and elevated like that, you can understand why our response is that way. Okay, so let's just bring it down a bit and we'll figure it out. All right. I understand why it's upsetting. I do. And maybe you're having a bad day.
All right, I just don't like when you start, and the cops still, come on. And she already got her hand on the weapon. You got your hand on it. That shit is straight.
Listen, hold on. I wasn't there.
I got a kid in the car. I got to get other kid. And you like me, like, come on, dog, don't do me like that.
I hear you.
God damn, that shit excites me too.
What's your name?
Tiffany.
Tiffany, let me ask you this. Does she know anything about you?
No.
Does she know whether or not you have an intent to hurt her?
No.
Okay. So let's start there. All right?
Listen, you can't break common sense down to some of these people, man. They not gonna get it. It's in one ear and out the other, and they think the world revolves around them. Since when do you get out of the car to take your jacket off and put it on the hood, a part of the traffic stop? Like, what? And then you get mad when the officers react to your actions.
Your daughter's back in the car staying warm, okay? Are you just trying to get gas? Okay. Let's go. I'll go ahead.
Can you go ahead and remember Chicago, please? Where did you get that car?
Last year sometime. Someplace in Chicago. I bought it online. Yeah.
Come back this way, ma'am. It's gonna go a lot faster if we can just keep it at this level. Okay?
Yeah.
I know that she might have pissed you off, I get it, but let's just keep it at this level. Okay. You understand this response here is because of that level that we brought it to, okay? That irate level that I came in and saw you at, all right? Do you live in the area?
I do.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
okay.
And I'm military, so I get it. You know what I'm
I
saying?
hear you. I understand. What branch?
Navy.
Thank you.
She military acting like that? No way.
You go to the naval base out in...
Yeah, over there officially.
Are you like active right now or
No, reserve.
Okay.
How much time is it supposed to take? Because I got to go get my daughter at 5.
I understand. It looks like they're trying to just figure out. Okay, they're just getting a minute. They have to check something with the car and that's that. We're just waiting for the other officer to come and talk to you. That's it. Okay, the person that you talked to. And like I said, I don't know the basis for the reason that you were stopped. I'm not sure. That's something that she'll come over and discuss more with you. But I will tell you this: anytime you are out of the car, in the car, refusing to comply with lawful orders, it does make the process longer. Okay.
I bought it online. It was cheap. It was probably like
Was your phone in the car?
yes.
Was your phone in the car?
It's probably in the cup holder.
Okay.
Front.
All right. I'll grab that for you in a sec. You're welcome. Do you have somebody else at home that can go get your daughter?
I don't.
You don't? Okay. Do you have any like friends or anything that could help you out? No? Okay. Okay. No, I was just asking because it's just something.
Take a while.
Something's taking a little bit, yeah. So I just wanted to make sure that someone could come get your girl at the high school if it's going to be a little bit longer. I don't want her to sit there waiting, wondering where you're at. That's all.
I'll tell her the inside.
Okay.
Will you take her?
Yeah, let me just go around the back really quick. So what's going to happen is the car does come back stolen, and because you did resist me actively and you obstructed all my verbal commands to you, I am putting you under arrest, okay? So we're going to... Oh, no. You are. Stop. We're going to figure that out.
Wait. Can I call my mother?
You can at the station.
So if you want to arrange for someone to pick her up, that's fine.
Nope, stop. We're figuring that out. Don't let me forget that. Stop.
I don't like this. My baby's in the car, and I don't like that.
Okay.
Hold on. First of all, my car is not stolen. It might be registered stolen, but I paid money for my car, so I don't know what that is.
We can bring you back to the station to talk about it there. All right, we're not going to talk about it right here. All right. So, as far as the daughter, all right, if you want someone to pick her
Go
up,
ahead.
we can do that, or we can bring her back to the station.
So,
Do you have anything on you?
no, I don't.
Okay.
I want my daughter picked up from school.
Right now, we're focusing on this. We will allow you to make phone calls to make arrangements for that, but right now we're
My daughter is at...
I understand. I
Nah,
understand.
I don't think you guys really understand.
I'm
My
gonna
daughter
unzip
is at
this.
school.
Can you hold it real quick so I can unzip this? I'm just gonna.
Hey, come on, guys. No.
Cooperate with us, and we can make that. We can arrange that sooner. But if you're going to be uncooperative, it's just going to take longer.
This is not about cooperation. No, She's not acting like neither one of y'all acting like this.
Okay.
My daughter is at school.
Excuse me.
We're trying to deal with this first, and then we can
Well, my daughter is at school.
So let us finish with this, and we will work on getting your daughter emotional control. Okay?
Who's gonna pick my daughter up? God damn it!
Can you lean back
I
for
don't
me?
think anybody loves
Can I
him.
call my grandmother?
You
to come
will
and
when
pick
we
my
get to the
grandmother?
station.
Yes, it's 2 minutes ride to the station.
Yeah, but
Listen, Tiffany, listen, I listen to you.
Get the high school daughter.
Yes, we'll figure that out.
Can you
But
get to the
as
other
soon
side
as you
and
sit in
hand
the
me the
car and let us
seatbelt?
bustle you and get to the station, the sooner you can make those phone calls.
9 and 1657.
Can you just lean back for me, please? Oh, what am I doing?
Buckled something.
Yeah.
Charges related to the stolen vehicle were declined, and the woman was instead issued citations for multiple traffic violations and charged with obstructing and resisting arrest. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure.
I'm glad I held my comments for the stolen vehicle part, because I was itching to say something, but I'm like, let me wait. I'm gonna just play out the video. So the car is not stolen. That's the first thing I was really thinking. I'm like, yo, you got military person driving around a stolen car? Like, wait, what? Now that's crazy. That's insane. That's insane. You making a little bit of change, even if you reserves, you know, you do the weekend warrior thing, you know, still a little, some side money, you know, whatever. But yeah, man. Yeah, it just amazes me how people get mad at the police because of how they're acting, but police just react to the way you act. You know, if you come off nice, the cop is gonna come off nice. If you come off like a dickhead, the cop is gonna come off like a dickhead. It's just the way it goes. And they started off on the wrong foot because she was playing games, getting out of the car. Oh, I want to take my jacket off. Oh. Like, you doing too much. But then on the flip side, you like, oh, she had her gun, she had her hand on her gun, ready to. She don't know you from a can of paint, man. One wrong move, man. Listen, if it's me or you, I'm going home to my family. That's all I know.